Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, we're now on the eve of some large central bank interest rate announcements, and the size of those rises will tell a story about how they see 2023's economic prospects. First it'll be the US Fed, followed by the ECB, then smaller central banks like the RBA and the Bank of England will also chip in. Markets are picking more restrained rises, even if inflation levels haven't yet pulled back. But before that, the next regional factory survey in the US is from Texas, where they report flat conditions and weaker new order levels. And that makes it 8 months in a row new orders have declined in America's oil patch. This region's results are a drag on their overall results. In China, and in a somewhat odd announcement, Chinese officials are pushing students to enroll quickly at overseas universities, although courses will no longer be certified. It isn't terribly clear why they're pressing their young students to act so quickly. Their attempt to explain themselves isn't very helpful. And health authorities in China's southwestern province of Sichuan will allow unmarried individuals to raise a family and enjoy benefits reserved for married couples in their latest effort to bolster a falling birth rate there. In Europe, economic sentiment rose from a month earlier in January to its highest level since June and well above market expectations. This is the third consecutive month it's improved and comes amid easing inflation and an improved economic outlook. But despite those improvements, including in broad German sentiment indicators, the German economy actually shrank in the fourth quarter of 2022. However, they revised their third quarter results up. Together, they flattened the whole year 2022 expansion to just 1.1%. However, the fourth quarter contraction in Europe's largest economy was mainly led by a small dip in household consumption, as those households prioritised saving. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 3.55% and up 4 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will open today at $1,924 an ounce. That's down $5 from this time yesterday. And oil prices start today low at just on $79 a barrel in the US, which is more than 50 US cents dip from yesterday. And the international Brent price is now below $85.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is little changed, still at 64.8 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we start today at 91.7 Australian cents, and that's firm by more than a quarter cent. Against the euro, we're still at 59.7 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today, it's just on 71.6 and little change from yesterday. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you